This video is beginner friendly, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. This video is sponsored by UNice Hair. This is the wig that they sent me. This is their honey blonde curly wig. It is 24 inches. The lace frontal is 13x4 and it has a 150% density. It has 3 clips on the inside for security as well as an adjustable strap. And these are the other items that came in the package. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are going to get everything that I got in my package because this is a lot, but this is what they sent me. So I decided to bleach the knots, but if I'm being honest, this was not necessary. I just wanted to make sure I am doing my best and doing the most with this install, and I'm extra too, so I bleached the knots. I'm doing a middle part, so I'm using my iron comb and got-to-be spray to mold the wig, and I'm also applying my foundation to the lace so that it will blend with my skin complexion a lot better. Everything that I'm using would be in my description bar below. So I'm using a stocking cap to protect my hair from the wig. It also gives the illusion of scalp. Now I'm not doing the ball cap method, and this stocking cap is a little bit too light for my complexion, but I made it work. I would advise you guys to get this stocking cap that is either your complexion or like one level lighter than your complexion. Now before I stick the wig, I'm just going to make sure I clean the area with some rubbing alcohol. This is just to make sure there is no excess oils that is going to prevent the wig from sticking. And to stick the wig, I'm just going in with this got-to-be spray and my blow dryer, and I'm just going back and forth with the spray and the blow dryer to help guide me. Now I am not sure why I did not cut the lace before sticking the wig, but I didn't. But I still made it work. I would advise you guys to probably cut the lace before, because then you will be able to cut it as close to the hairline as possible. But it still worked, and I wrapped the edge of the wig when I was done sticking it, just so that it can stay in place while I style the rest of the wig. Styling this wig was very easy. All I did was wet the wig, I detangled the wig, and then I just applied some leave-in conditioner, and that was it. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. I absolutely love this look. It actually turned out a lot better than I expected. Like, I think it is fair to say I understood the assignment, and this color is bomb. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.